Buying a home is a big deal, and your credit plays a massive role in making that dream come true. Sure, you could go the DIY route and try to fix your credit on your own, but let me tell you why using a professional for credit repair is the smarter choice. First, it's about experience. Professionals have seen it all, from late payments to collections, and they know how to navigate the credit bureaus and creditors efficiently. Second, they have a proven track record of raising your scores. They know the strategies that work and can tailor them to your unique situation. And third, you can actually do more harm than good. We see it all the time. Potential clients try to fix it on their own and end up lowering their scores and costing themselves thousands of dollars or even harming their ability to be approved for a mortgage. So if you're serious about buying your dream home, securing the best mortgage rates, consider using a professional for credit repair. It's an investment that pays off in the long run. Don't leave your home buying journey to chance. If you think there's any need for you to repair your credit, please let us know. We'll put you in touch with a professional that we utilize to help you with this service.